Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the expression of radius of nth orbit of chapter atom, which is very important for second PUC CBSE 12th. Okay, so let's start. What is the expression of radius of nth orbit? Radius of nth orbit is n square h square by 4 pi square m e to the power 2. Okay, so where h is nothing but the Planck constant, the value is 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, and as you know that 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 5 erg. So if you multiply convert it to the erg, you will get a 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg second. Is it clear? So let's start the derivation. Consider an atom. Okay, this is the atom. Okay, this is the nucleus of the atom. Okay, its atomic number is Z. Okay, so the charge present inside the nucleus will be ZE. Yes or no? Consider one electron is there which is revolving around the nucleus of an atom. Yes or no? So ZE is the charge of nucleus and E is the charge of electron. Okay, electron is revolving around the nucleus. The mass of electron, let's say, it is what? A small a. Now, as we know that from the Coulomb's law, there will be a force of attraction between these two charges right now. So what is the electrostatic force of attraction? Fe we can write K Q1 Q2 by R square. Is it clear? Okay. So Fe is equal to K. Q1 is nothing but the ZE. This is a Q1. What is Q2? Q2 is the charge of electron divided by R square. So can we write Fe is equal to K ZE square by E into E square by R square. So this is the electrostatic force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron. Now consider this K constant. Okay, at the moment we are considering this as what? 1. So can we write electrostatic force Fe is equal to ZE square by R square. Okay. Now try to understand whenever electron is revolving around the nucleus in a circular path, to revolve around the nucleus one force is required. That force is called as centripetal force Fc. Okay, the value of Fc, centripetal force, is mv square by r. Okay, this centripetal force is achieved due to the electrostatic force of attraction. Okay, so can we equate Fc is equal to Fe? Okay, once you equate mv square by r is equal to, okay, ze square by r square. So no, so r and r square, here only r will remain. Now move this r to the left hand side and this you bring it to the left hand side, so we will get a small r is equal to ze square by mv square. Is it clear? Okay, let's say this is equation 2. Now try to understand according to the Bohr's atomic theory, okay, we learned that whenever the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in circular path, its angular momentum, that is mvr, is nothing but equal to nh by 2 pi. This is one of the important postulates of Bohr. Okay, so mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. I am writing. Now square both sides. Once you square both sides, we can write m square v square r square is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square. This is how by squaring both sides. Now let v square on the left hand side and remaining terms you move to the right hand side. So we can write v square is equal to n square h square divided by m square r square 4 pi square. Now consider this as equation 3. Okay, now substitute the value of v square from equation 3 in equation 2. Okay, so we can write r is equal to ze square by m. Okay, ze square by m, r is equal to ze square by m, and v square value you substitute from here, n square h square by 4 pi square m square r square. This value I have substituted. Now this term you will go to the numerator, so we can write small r is equal to ze square 4 pi square m square r square divided by m n square h square. Now small m and m square, only m will remain. R and r square is there, so here only r will remain. Yes or no? Here only r will remain. Now let the r this side and remaining terms you move to the left hand side. So we can write small r is equal to n square h square. This whole term will come to the denominator by ze square 4 pi square m. Yes or no? This is the radius. Is it clear? So from here, if you consider for general, okay, so we can write Rn. Rn is the radius of nth orbit. You can write n square h square by z. Just rearrange 4 pi square m e to the power 2. Okay, so Finally, for hydrogen atom, if as the atomic number of hydrogen atom is what? 1. Atomic number, that is Z is equal to 1. For hydrogen atom, we can write the radius of nth orbit is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m e square. Now try to understand. You know the value of h 4 pi square, mass of electron, charge of electron. If you substitute each and every values, you will get the radius of nth orbit as 0.059 n square by z. It means, okay, for hydrogen atom, z we put 1, so radius of nth orbit is directly proportional to the n square. N is nothing but the shell. If the shell increases, radius also increases. And in general, radius of nth orbit is inversely proportional to the z. You can see z is there on the left hand side, right? Now, so radius is inversely proportional to the z. Means radius of the atom is inversely proportional to the atomic number. If atomic number increases, radius decreases. Yes or no? We have learned also. Okay, I hope you understood this derivation. Please practice once, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.